Ladies and gentlemen, as Rhea's bail plea is rejected, we will now tell you what else you can expect in this case. The Republic investigation has thrown open the Disha case as the CBI focus shifts to a possible homicide angle in the Sushant case as well. Here are more details.
ये देखिए रिया चक्रवर्ती स्टेटमेंट दर्ज करवा के आई है। रिया प्रियंका दीदी के खिलाफ आपने शिकायत दर्ज कराई है। रिया रिपब्लिक पूछ रहा है कौन से ड्रग पेडलर के बोलना चाहती है। रिया सुशांत की बहन के खिलाफ शिकायत दर्ज कराई, रिपब्लिक पूछ रहा है।
She tried really hard for over 6 hours on Monday evening at the Bandra police station to somehow slander Sushant and his family one last time.
The FIR which has been registered is clearly illegal, clearly a contempt of the orders of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has very clearly said that if the Mumbai police, as part of its inquest proceeding, were to come across some cognizable offence in relation to the death of Sushant Singh Rajput, then that Mumbai police could refer to the CBI as well.
As Rhea Chakraborty spends the night in custody, there are reasons why she is nervous. After all, the case is just opening up. Republic TV was the first channel to expose the Disha link. There's more proof on day 85 of a go-slow in the case.
8 जून को जब वो गिरी तब आवाज़ आया था।
हाँ, ऊपर से आवाज़ आई।
आप ही ने बताया था, मतलब इन्फॉर्मेशन आपने दी थी पहले। और अभी लाइक पुलिस इंक्वायरी किस तरीके से चल रही है? थैंक यू सो मच।
Listen to this. Officers stung at the Malwani police station which investigated the case, revealing details of a revamp at the station. Strange, isn't it?
सर दिशा सालियांचा केस बाबत विचारायचं होतं.
माझ्याकडे नाही पण केस.
पण सर तुम्ही इन्व्हेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर आहात.
मी नाहीच आहे.
मला सांगितलं की तुम्ही इन्व्हेस्टिगेटिंग. सर पण पूर्वी तुम्ही होते का इन्व्हेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर?
पूर्वी होतो पण आता नाही.
तर आता म्हणे कोणाला दिलाय ते केस?
मला आता रसायन साहेबांनी.
The drug angle is only the tip of the iceberg. The larger story is now unraveling as 3 agencies probe the Sushant murder. Let's debate.
Hi everyone, this is Arnab Goswami and I want to talk about our digital platform Republic World, the fastest news destination which has got you covered on all fronts, be it politics, entertainment or sport. And the reason I want you to follow Republic World is because for far too long there has only been negativity about India on the digital medium. Republic World is my campaign against the negativity prevalent on social media and digital media. So for the first time, I offer you a choice. Get the content that builds the nation. Avoid the content and avoid everyone on digital media who speaks against the nation. And do not forget to download the Republic World app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching. Together, let's kill the negativity against India on the digital media. Let's ensure that it's truly nation first, no compromise.